Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to upload files or folder in Google Drive using your mobile device. Now let us begin. As you can see, this right here is the interface of Google Drive for my mobile device. I have already installed the application and logged into my account. Now let us simply try to upload some files. At the bottom right, you will see a button like this that says New. Simply click on it. Now it's gonna give you some options like folder, upload, scans and everything. Right now I want to upload a file, so I'm gonna click on this upload button right now. Then from here, as you can see, currently it's on the recent section. Now let us go to other sections as well. You can go to gallery, my files and everything. In case you don't find it, simply click on the top left icon right here, that are these three lines, and you will be provided some options like this, and from here you can scroll over wherever you want. Right now, I'm just gonna go to gallery. Let's say I choose this photo right here. And once I've selected it, I'm simply gonna click on done. And guys, as you can see, the file is being uploaded. Likewise, you can upload PDF, files, MP3, video, anything from your cell phone. And guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.